Tour de France.
So welcome to this week's assembly, which as you can see comes from me with a biking helmet on and with my bike. What a lovely bike. And different to the last 2 weeks, the fog's gone, the sun's come out, it's roasting hot, I'm sweating and I'm loving my bike ride. But what I'll talk about this week is about how life is sometimes a bit like a bike ride, like riding a bike. So let's go and explore a little bit and see what I mean by that. It's like summer's here, and here I am on the wonderful cycle track between Kettleness and Runswick Bay. But what was the journey like to get here, and how does that reflect our own lives? Let's go and find out.
Gilbert goes over the top.
Sometimes you just need to stop and have a rest, because this is a killer hill. Yeah, and sometimes it is hard work, and sometimes you ask yourself, why do I do this? But when you're at the top, like I am now, 600 feet to where I was before, and you've got the views, you just feel on top of the world. Sometimes things really are worth the effort. Whew. Now there's the view over to Kettleness, here to where we started. Amazing. I feel so good. And now I get a massive downhill.